In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete Telegram stories. Deleting a story on Telegram is a quick process that can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Telegram app and then tap Chats. After that, pull down just like this. Then tap My Story. Now you'll see your Telegram story. To delete it, tap on the trash can icon at the bottom right corner. And then tap Delete Story. Now you've successfully deleted your Telegram story. Remember that deleting a story is permanent, so make sure you really want to remove it before confirming the deletion. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.